Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing power and protecting components, attach an ESD strap, and set the device on a non-conductive mat. Once done, remove the case screws and open the Mimic PC's top panel with a plastic spudger to avoid scratches. Make sure the internal battery is stable and unplug any external peripherals. Next, locate the lantern assembly near the front I/O. You should see a small connector and 2 retention clips. You'll now prepare to inspect connectors and the lamp housing directly for the next steps. You'll now focus on the complex middle steps. Carefully release the retention clips and unplug the lantern connector. If resistance occurs, wiggle straight from the connector body to avoid pin damage. Once unplugged, inspect the lamp contacts and ribbon for corrosion or bent pins and clean with isopropyl on a lint-free swab if needed. Next, examine the reflector and lens alignment. Misalignment changes beam focus. Finally, measure continuity across the connector pins with a multimeter to verify power path integrity before reassembly. You finish by reseating the connector, snapping the clips back in place, and closing the case. Tighten screws evenly so the housing sits flush. Once reassembled, boot and run the Mimic PC's lamp test routine while watching startup behavior. Note any flicker, delayed ignition, or color shift. If the lantern fails tests, make sure to swap the cable first, recheck the 5V and ground rails, and only then replace the lamp module. If problems persist, document symptoms and consult support with exact readings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.